Hey friend, do you want to learn how to monetize your YouTube videos and get paid from YouTube? Well, hey, in this exciting episode today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Why? Because your boy finally got 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I'm going to do it step by step. It's going to be a live process. You're going to get to watch me do it, all right? So if you haven't done it before, get to watch live as we do it step by step on how to monetize this YouTube channel so you can start getting paid YouTube money, all right? And oh, by the way, if you're new to this channel, then hey, my name is Chris, and this channel is all about empowering you home business entrepreneurs with mindset and the online skill sets to get results and make money, all right? So if you like making money, if you like reviews, tutorials like this about making money, then all right, then definitely give the video a like, consider subscribing to the channel, and go ahead and smash that bell too, because you'll be notified whenever I drop new videos, all right? Which is pretty much almost daily. And if you want to know my number one recommendation for making money online that will give you the mindset and skill sets to make money in a leveraged manner, then hey, check out the link I got in the description below as well, all right? So hey, let's get into this thing. How to monetize YouTube videos, okay? It's a review process, step-by-step tutorial. Let's get into it because I've been wanting to do this and for a long time. And if you've been on YouTube, this is probably one of the things that you've been really excited about, being able to make money off of the videos that you make just by people watching them, all right? So it's pretty exciting. To me, it's probably one of the most exciting things. It's probably the easiest money you'll ever make, right? And so for me, it's exciting. But I do want to remind you though, because a lot of people think that YouTube ads is the only way to make money. Dude, it's not, all right? As a matter of fact, you'll learn to probably see from other people that have told you, you don't really get that much money, right? In the grand scheme of it. Like you can make a couple $100s, you actually can make thousands, but you'll need a lot of views, all right? So that's just one way to monetize your YouTube videos. There are a ton of different ways to do it, all right? If you're not familiar how to, my video channel has a bunch of ways about that. So I'll leave a few videos in the description below you can check out. But once again, this is not the only way, all right? So I just want to keep that in mind. I just now hit 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subs, but I've been making some money, okay? I've been making money. So don't think that this is the only way, all right? So just want to let you know that. All right, so let's get into it, all right? This is my channel, as you can see, and man, like I said, been putting in some work, finally got that watch time. And one way you can, so the way you would get started basically is when you go to the channel here. This is the back office on my channel, and you want to come down to channel. This is like the original version of the YouTube back office, and then you want to go to status and features, and then you want to come down here to where it says, you see this monetization right here, it says monetization, become a YouTube partner. Well, that's step one. You got to become a YouTube partner, so you have to apply for it, all right? So what we're going to do is click on here where it says enable, all right? Okay, so then it came to this page. So as you can see, it took us back to the actual studio. This is the brand new version of the YouTube back office, and it's saying grow with YouTube. As a YouTube partner, you'll be eligible to earn money from your videos, get creator support, right? So to get into the YouTube partner program, as you can see, your channel needs 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months and 1,000 subscribers, okay? What if I already started the application, blah, blah, blah. So as you can see, I actually qualify for that because they'll tell you 1,000, I have 1,500 subscribers, so I'm kind of late doing this. And 4,000 hours needed, well, I have 4,600 public watch hours, all right? So it used to be that you actually had to like go and figure that out yourself, but a way you could do it is just by going to your channel analytics. So if you went to channel analytics right here, it'll take you to this page here, and you can see just by coming over here, you can just kind of see your overview of what you're doing. This is in the last 7 days right here. So I would just come up in here, click to where it says 300 in the last 365, and then it'll tell you right there, right? Watch hours, 4,700, all right? And so it'll tell you straight up your number of subscribers and all of that. So that's how you can confirm. But as you can see, they'll tell you anyway right here. So once that you see that you meet that criteria, then we're just gonna hit click here to apply now. And oh, by the way, if you're wondering, hey, what's hot, Chris? I'm not at 4,000 watch hours yet. I'm not 1,000 subscribers. How can I get there fast? Then one place I can recommend for you is to check out my video here that I did on how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube fast. It's literally what I did and what I wish I known before to help scale myself up to 1,000 subscribers. All right. So I encourage you to check out that video right there. That's pretty much exactly what I did to do it, and anybody can do it, including you. All right. So now that we're continuing now, channel monetization. Step one is review the partner program program terms. Okay, so you have to read and agree to their YouTube partner program terms. This is the agreement that makes it possible for you to earn money. Okay, that makes sense. So we're going to click on there, and then it's going to say bring this up, understand the terms, YouTube partner program terms, monetization revenues, government termination, blah blah blah. Okay, it looks good. I'm not, you can read it, but I'm going to go ahead and say accept, because generally these things are just like, don't do anything stupid, right? That's basically what they're saying. And then email me updates, announcements, and personalized tips to grow my channel. I might uncheck that because I don't want that. Okay, then I'm going to click on accept terms. You can't see that back here, but it says cancel and accept terms. I'm going to click on that. Okay, now that I've done that, step 1 says dunsies, right? So we're looking good. In fact, I can probably get this out the way so that you can see this even more. All right, now step 2 is sign up for Google AdSense. All right, because that step 2 is once you become part of the YouTube partner program, you have to, in order to do that, you have to be part of Google AdSense. So create a new Google AdSense account, or you can connect an existing one that you have to your channel, and you need this in order to monetize and get paid. So we're going to click here to get started. Then it's going to say step 2, you will be redirected to AdSense to complete the step. You will be redirected to Google AdSense to link your existing account or create a new one. You need an AdSense account to start monetizing and get paid. All right, so then I'm going to click here to see, do I have an existing one? And for me, I believe I do. So I'm going to say yes, I have an existing account. And then you're only allowed one AdSense account per person. So you probably already have one, especially if you've done Google ads before. But if you haven't, then you could just say, no, I don't, and then just continue. Okay, then this page is going to come up. Another page comes up where it's like, it tells you to select the Google account that you want if you already have an AdSense account. And so then you can click on that one. And then it took me to this page. And so now it's saying, okay, this is the website that you want to monetize. That's my YouTube channel. Get more out of AdSense. Yes, send me customized help and performance suggestions. I'm going to say no. Select your country or territory. I'm going to say United States and click on that, and then they're going to give you terms and conditions that you should accept. You should look through it, blah blah blah, and then say yes, I have read and accept the agreement, and then click here where it says create account. All right, then it's going to bring you to this page here where now you have your Google AdSense set up. I guess you're just going to basically confirm all the information that you have here, and then make sure that it's right so that they send the paychecks where they want, the way you should send them, and then click here to submit. All right, then it brings us back to where we were before and says now it's in progress of setting up the Google AdSense account. All right, so that looks good. And then pretty much the only thing that's left is pretty much to wait now, because step 3 is to get reviewed, right? So when you get reviewed, YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with our monetization policies. They'll email you a decision, usually within 1 month. So how long does it take? 1 month or so. And this step will begin automatically after you complete the first 2 steps. All right, so step 1 we did. Step 2, we're waiting on the Google AdSense. I think I saw that's going to take about 2 weeks or so. And then step 3 will start after that. 4 weeks from that is how I'm calculating it. So that's that. So from that point, then we'll come back and resume the next part of this process, right? Which is basically putting the ads on your video so you can earn money. All right. So, hey, I'm going to wait 30, 45 days, and then we'll come back to finish this video. Hey, what's up, friend? I'm back. All right, so here we go. So, hey, it's been actually maybe 2 weeks since we did that first part of that video that we just saw, and now who we are, we've been approved and monetized and ready to go. Pretty exciting, right? So now that we're approved, and the way you can know this, let me show you. All right, so we're in the back office of my channel here, and if you go down to monetization here, I don't know if it's still here. Yeah, it did say 3 was complete already. We saw this last time. It was complete. Hey, you've been approved. I also got an email saying that you had been approved for the monetization, to be a YouTube partner. So that was exciting. So once again, that didn't even really take that long, probably 2 weeks, I would say. So a lot shorter and quicker than we had anticipated. All right. And so as you can see, they're telling you now, here's some ways you can earn money from the YouTube channel. Another way that you can know. So if we go back to the dashboard here, right, I actually did activate one of the ads, and you can see revenue. Look at that. Revenue of 91 cents, right? That's not a lot, but it's something, all right? That's pretty exciting. And then another way you'll probably know is if you go to your videos, which is, let's say we can go to videos, you'll notice that there is a new icon here. You see this? This says monetization, and all of them is off, except for this one that I turned on just to test it out, right? And so that's how you know that you've been approved and you can now start monetizing. Now, let's do it, right? Next step is to activate monetization and be able to put some ads on some of our videos videos so we can start earning an income. Now, there's several ways you can do it. I'm going to show you how to do it in the new studio because as far as I can tell, that's what's about to happen, be full-time, and the old one is going to be gone. So let's do it here. Now, one way you can do it is you can basically go to each individual video. You see where it says monetization. You click on the arrow here, just click on the on and then save it, and then you'd be good to go. Now, instead of doing just all, one video at a time, you could literally do a bunch of the videos as well. So if you clicked on checked here, it would check all the videos. You could go to where it says edit right here. And then if you scroll down here, you see where it says monetization, click on that. And then it's going to say, hey, be sure your videos are friendly and compliant or whatever. Then you can click on and, or actually, yeah, we just say click on, and then I can say update videos. And then it says, are you sure you're about to update the selected videos? Updating videos are permanent and can't be done. And so, then you say, I understand the implications of this action. And then you can say update videos. And then it's going to go ahead and start updating its videos and putting all of them on. Now, one thing you can do too is instead of doing just one individual, doing it like that, you can also go into the individual video itself. And let me show you that. So as you can see, all the videos have been turned on, right? But let's say if I wanted to go into this particular video specifically, just so that I could activate the monetization for that, you could come to that and then come to the side here where it says monetization. You click on that and that's going to take you here. Now, as you can see, monetization has been turned on already, but if you hadn't, it would have said off, and then you could have just said turned on and say done, and it would have been turned on. And then you can see all the different kinds of ads that are available that you can put on your videos, right? And then you can have it say before, during, or after for your videos, right? However way you want it. And then you can place them automatically or manually, whatever you want. And then once you do that, you can say click save, and then it's automatically going to do that for your videos. All right. And now you've got your videos been placed, you've been monetized. All right, all your videos have ads on them. Now you can start making money. Okay, and that's pretty much it, my friend. I just want to remind you, hey, that remember, like we said, YouTube is not the monetization, putting the ads revenue is not the only way you can make money on your videos. All right, it's not the only way. In fact, for most channels, it's like the least amount of way that they make their money. There's a bajillion different ways, all right, to definitely make money on your videos. All right, and if you want to know some of the ways you can do that, including growing your channel and creating a passive income with your YouTube channel, even if you're a complete beginner, if you've never done it before and without relying on the ad revenue, then hey, check out the link I got in the description below for my #1 recommended product to help you do that, all right, to grow a passive YouTube channel, all right? So hopefully this was helping, you got value in this. If you did, hey, definitely give the video a like, my friend. Definitely subscribe to the channel, all right? Consider checking out some of these videos on this channel that can help you make money online. And like I said, if you want to know the #1 recommended way to grow a YouTube channel, make money passively, not just with the YouTube ads, but with a bunch of different stuff, affiliate marketing, whatever, hey, check out the link in the description below, all right? So till next exciting episode, my friend, be blessed, stay hungry. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.